This is our street, it's where we live. We love to play together.
Quick, Tim!
Just like you, and just
Topsy,
like us,
run!
and we'll be friends forever.
Go, Tim!
We can be anything if we close our eyes and dream. We can play day after day, and the fun will never end. This is our street, it's where we live, so let's all play together. Be best friends forever.
Hello! It's us! Topsy and Tim! We're brushing our teeth. Come on. Our teeth.
Stop! You brushed your teeth for 2 minutes. Well done. Okay. Bit of a quick rinse. Very good. And dry your mouth. Good boy. And dry your mouth.
Our dentist is going to love our clean teeth.
Wow! Yes, they are shiny.
Oh, wow, they're so bright.
Come on. Come on.
Mummy normally takes us to the dentist, but she's away this week staying with Granny Molly. So Dad is taking us to the dentist today.
Now, is there anything else we need to remember before we go to the dentist?
Yes! I'll go!
What?
Oh, we always bring Eddie Teddy and Little Moon Bunny to the dentist with us.
Oh, okay.
Come on, Topsy.
Why do we bring them?
It's a secret.
Oh.
Here, Tim.
Come on then, let's go.
Come on, Little Moon Bunny. Teddy and you, Dad.
Hi, Mr. Adele.
Hi, Mrs. Berry.
Hi. Hello, Topsy and Tim. Oh, my goodness, haven't you grown? I can't believe
Our dentist is called Mrs. Berry.
this is
Her assistant is called Kenan. And they have a magic thread that goes up and down.
Right, let's get started.
Okay, twins, who wants to go first?
Yes, of course. On you get toys. You get the first chair, right? Right, Kenan?
Oh, I see. This is why we brought your toys to the dentist.
The first time we came to the dentist, Mummy let us bring our toys with us. And even though we're big now, Mrs. Berry still lets us bring them every time.
Okay, come on, toys. Open up. Open wide. Yes, what'd you say? Right, very good. Oh, very good. Very good. Yes. Topsy and Tim, if your teeth are as good as your toys' teeth, you're going to be dazzling me with your smiles.
I told you they brush their teeth twice a day.
Who's next, then? Who's next?
Me! I want to go first.
Okay, it's your turn next. Okay, can we have the chair down, please, Kenan? Oh. Now, Tim, you know what to do. Open wide and say. Okay, let's have a look. Now, let's have a look. Oh, yes. You've been brushing very, very well. Now, I hope you haven't been eating too many sweets or fizzy drinks.
No, we haven't.
Good, that's great. Well, if you do, just make sure on those days that you brush your teeth extra well at bedtime. Tim, you have excellent teeth. Topsy, you're next, please.
Yes!
Okay. Right, Topsy, let's see how you've been doing then.
Hold on tight, Topsy.
Here we go. Beep, 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 beep. That's right. Okay, let's have a look at yours. Have you been eating lots of chocolate?
No.
Honestly? Okay, now, Topsy, you know what to do. Open wide and say. All right, you can stop now. Let's have a look. Wow, now you have been brushing your teeth very well too. That's great. You have excellent teeth too, Topsy. Well done. Well done. Thanks, Karen. Now, Topsy and Tim, in about a year or so, you are going to lose your teeth. They're going to start wobbling, ready to come out.
Why will they wobble?
Oh, it's okay. It's nothing to worry about at all. Basically, all your milk teeth fall out one by one, okay? And then what happens is that gives you time for your big teeth to grow in their place instead, doesn't it, Dad?
Yeah, exciting. New teeth.
Yeah. Have you got any friends that are a little bit older than you?
No.
Yes, you have twins. You've got a friend called Josie Miller who's nearly 6.
Oh, yes, Josie!
Ah, well, you see, Topsy and Tim, losing your milk teeth actually can be quite fun. And I think that you should ask her to tell you all about the tooth fairy.
What's the tooth fairy?
Oh, I think you'll like to hear about the tooth fairy.
We can ask Josie about the tooth fairy on the way home.
Great. Okay, Dad. Your turn.
On the way home from the dentist, Dad lets us call for Josie, and she comes to play. And guess what? Josie has a wobbly tooth. It's my first milk tooth that's ready to come out. Look, it's really wobbly. Oh, it looks all strange.
Through to the kitchen, please, you guys.
Okay.
Josie, do you know about the tooth fairy?
Yes, my mum says when my tooth comes out, I have to put it under my pillow at bedtime for the tooth fairy. Why? Why? The tooth fairy will come when I'm asleep and she'll take my tooth. She leaves a coin. Wow. What does the tooth fairy do with your tooth? She uses it to build a castle, I think. Oh, cool. Wow. What does the tooth fairy look like? My mum and Dad says nobody has ever seen the tooth fairy. I want to see the tooth fairy. So do I. We asked Josie lots more questions about the tooth fairy until it was time for her to go home and time for our bedtime.
Night, Topsy. See you in the morning. Hello.
Hello.
Mwah. Sleep tight, Tim.
Night, Dad.
Night.
Topsy and I have a secret code. If one of us knocks on the wall 3 times, the other one has to come through. What is it, Topsy? Look. I put these chattering teeth under my pillow and I'm going to stay awake all night and wait for the tooth fairy to come and get them. That's a good idea. I'm going to get the other teeth. I want to do it too.
Topsy and Tim, what's going on? What's going on? What have you got under your pillow, Topsy?
Just the chattering teeth.
Why?
Because I want the tooth fairy to come and collect them. And that's when Dad says, the tooth fairy is far too clever to fall for a trick like that.
The tooth fairy is far too clever to fall for a trick like that, Topsy and Tim. The tooth fairy will only come when there are proper milk teeth to collect.
Oh, I can't wait until my teeth fall out so I can see her. Nor can I. I can't wait to see the tooth fairy. I can't get to sleep.
OK, well, I want you both to try very hard to sleep so I can tell Mummy how good you're being while she's away. OK?
OK.
OK, come here. Let's get you back to your own room, please, Tim.
And that, said Dad, was that.
Night, Topsy and Tim.
Hello. Are you good at remembering? Can you remember what happened to us today? This is our Topsy and Tim memory game. Let's play. Today, after our trip to the dentist, we looked at our friend's wobbly tooth. Can you remember who had the wobbly tooth? Was it Kerry? Or was it Josie? The answer is behind Wiggles the rabbit. Look, the answer is Josie. Watch this. So please show us your wobbly tooth now, Josie. It's my first milk tooth that's ready to come out. Look, it's really wobbly. Oh, it looks all strange. Great game. That was good fun. See you soon.